In this video, we are going to talk about what exactly is hourly based scheduling and what types of organizations might use hourly based scheduling. To start, hourly based scheduling is where your employees will put in availability on an open calendar. So they'll see different dates like Wednesday, March 9th, Thursday, March 10th, and they'll have a calendar where they can go forward into the future. And what they'll be able to do is drag and drop the times that they can work on these specific dates. If there are any times that they do not drag and drop here, they are considered unavailable to work. So on this day, for instance, on Sunday, March 13th, I'd be available from 6:30 to 12:45, but not available any times the rest of the day. If their availability is consistent, they could do one full week, and then they could go to the next week and copy from previous week, and it would take the previous week's availability and put it right onto the new week. You could also copy from position. This is a position by position based availability function. So if they have, this is for fitness attendant, and they already have availability in for another hourly based position, they could copy that from a position right here. Typically, staff would put in this general availability, and then managers at that point would be able to make the schedule based off of that. Now, what organizations would typically use hourly based scheduling? It's typically organizations that have wildly variant schedules. So it isn't, for instance, a front desk that you need to cover from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. The hours that you need to cover change all the time, week to week, or even day to day. And also, the other way that you might be using this as schedule is if you take availability from the employees and morph your schedule to fit their availability. So, for instance, you don't have something you need to cover, you just want to know what they're available for, and you'll make their shifts based on when they're available, as opposed to you fitting into shifts that you need to cover that you'll need to fit employees' availability in for. So typically, if you're one of those types of scheduling organizations, then you would be a fit for hourly based availability. If you decide that you do want to pursue hourly based scheduling, you can choose this by going to the Setup tab over on the top left, choosing Position Settings, and then you'll see availability is listed in the second one down here in the middle of the screen. And you'll be able to choose which positions you want to change to hourly, and you'll be able to choose that right here and hit save. If you have any questions and you're not sure what type of scheduling you should be using, I would recommend reaching out to our support team. You can email us at support@subitup.com or give us a call at 617-401-8733. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time.